Hey everybody, so I just wanted to mention about resting and planning rest into your workout. I know this seems kind of sometimes oxymoronic. You want to go, go, go. You're that type A personality and you want to just keep going until you fall over. And yes, I've spent many years in that model of just pushing myself to the extreme. And what I'm finding is that when I do a bit of exercise, in this case I walked some really steep trails for about a half an hour. I'm now sitting on this comfortable rock, okay? And I'm taking a rest before I keep walking. And sometimes what I find is that when I do that and I plan little rest spots, I have even more energy and I can go even longer. So make sure that when you are hiking in the woods, when you are taking that walk, which is planned as like a long 5-mile walk or longer, that you plan your spots of rest, whether it's on a rock, on a log, sitting on the grass, whatever, to just be. Let your body take a breather, take a few deep breaths, and then get back on the trail and then keep walking around your neighborhood. But having that moment of rest can really refuel your mind, your body, your soul, your spirit, the whole deal. And just really pay attention to what's around you. Like right now, there's this beautiful stream. I'm really listening to the sound of the water from the little mini waterfalls in the stream. I'm just kind of being with all that and seeing God's presence in all of it. So I hope that you can find moments of rest, deliberate rest in your day. Have a good one, everybody.